To most people, a truck isn't just a truck. It's a way of life. It takes you where you want to go and gets the hard jobs done. Here at Precision Wraps and Graphics, we understand your truck is special. Well, to you. So we want to give it that special touch that makes people say, you work hard for your truck, so we work hard for you. Because that's the Precision way. Detail-oriented, applied with precision. We help you stand out from the flock because no one likes a sheep. Life's too short to blend in, so stand out. Distinguish your passion and create something special. Make a statement, forge your image, and show the world who you really are.